Hey guys, Matt Ingram, PRD Nationwide Real Estate. Struggling to find a property that ticks all the right boxes? 148 Sawmill Road, Huntley could be the one for you. 4 bed, 2 bath, side access and fantastic entertaining. Let's go take a look at what's on offer. From high-spec finishes on the inside to fully landscaped gardens on the out, there's not a single thing to do but move in and enjoy this spectacular property. Book a private inspection with myself on the following number, or I look forward to seeing you at our next Open for Inspection.